I was being helpful when I drove down the highway at 90 miles per hour. You gotta understand. I'm an empath.
Would never fucking
I
say.
am speed.
I'm an empath officer. That old lady was trying.
She
was
seems
trying to cross
frustrated.
the street
I swear to
illegally.
God, what's
She
going
was
on?
She felt guilt. I had to kill her.
And
I
that
had
is how you justify a hit and run.
Why is this not?
I had to. She was doing stuff illegally, man.
Jaywalking.
She was jaywalking, man.
She was walking across the middle of the street. That's why I was going 90 down
Try
Jefferson.
making.
That's what I was
Try
going.
making.
I don't know.
Their
why
servers
this
are
is
just
happening.
full of bots. Every single
mean-
server is just full of
Well, in my
bots.
okay.
No. I
Oh, no,
refuse.
nope. I got killed by gelatin. Man, I didn't know that was so deadly.
Okay, alright. Johnny Rebel Gaming. Cheating, idle, or scamming?
I would do cheating.
Cheating? Call it.
Everyone
F1,
F1.
F1.
Quickly. Yes! Hell yeah! I think that was enough.
Fuck this boy.
F
Fuck this
you.
boy. Fuck this dude. Fuck this dude.
Oh man, he might not get it. He might not get it though.
Ah, he's gone. He's gone.
Yes!
He's gone. He's gone.
Yes!
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Secondary burn. Let's see.
Think
God.
nothing to worry about, bro.
Pyros.
Oh my gosh.
That's me. That's good.
I'm emo and I know it.
Okay, that was just bad.
Oh god. There.
I am the champion today. No!
Hey, that was very
Damn.
close.
Front, I guess.
Also,
Get
I may leave this game because I have to use the bathroom fast. Oh, hello.
Okay.
And then also
Don't
like
fall in.
Make sure to wear your seatbelt. You gotta wear your seatbelt.
Yeah, like have you never had to use the toilet
Have you
before?
ever been to the bathroom with the
Yeah, like what? there are rules. There are safety procedures.
You put on your seatbelt, you hold on to the handles, and you pray to God. Like, doesn't everyone do that? Magnificent.
Yeah, I like that guy's username. It's a nice one.
He's not very
Okay.
confident in it though. He's got a question mark.
It's like no magnificent question.
Is he magnificent or is he not magnificent?
I am going to be AFK. Please do not kick me.
yeah,
Alright.
no, that's like the most okay.
TP almost up. TP up.
Damn it. Oh.
Damn. Why did he say partner? That was me who did that. Alright, Zach, do you wanna set up down here or...
Well, I'm already a step ahead of you.
Okay.
Do you see where I'm at?
Oh.
I put a turret up there. Yeah, I put a
Yes.
turret up there.
Wow.
Like right when the stairs go down. So if you want, you could like hypothetically move your turret inside to push it out. Thank you. I needed those upgrades.
Upgrades, people, upgrades.
I've got a fucking turret in their sewer stairs.
Yeah.
So
We
this
are
might
doing.
go a little bit quicker than we're.
When I
Oh, that
literally
happened.
whipped out the wrench, I was like,
Alright,
okay.
well,
I got a bucket of chicken. I have
Oh.
exactly.
I got a bucket of chicken. I got a
I
bucket
am
Did I
not
sell that
fried
pallet?
chicken trap.
Oh, we're about to get this point. I'm
Get
about. Yeah.
Get it!
Go, come
Run
on.
that shit!
Well, I'm in the bank, so there's pretty much no way that they can get me at this point.
Yeah, unless they pull off some crazy, wacky, Disney bananas bullshit.
Not. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah!
Nice.
wacko.
Okay. Are we gonna go for two back to back? Oh, we might be going for two back to back.
Oh wow, they have.
We might be going for two.
Let's go.
you can join your. Are you
They
guys
have
in,
like
a new game?
Setup.
No, we're in the same
No,
game
they're
and we're
not.
about to
Join
fucking
back.
win it.
We're literally gonna win.
I can
Oh,
join.
you were the anchor of their team.
Really?
Run!
Yeah, you
run!
were carrying.
Run, Muffin! Run!
Alright,
Well,
I'm gonna go
I auto balance
yeah,
on there again because I'm gonna be mad.
I'm gonna. No! Yes!
Okay, Okay, also
Is
like
it in our base?
Yes, it's in
Yeah.
our base. It's literally in our base.
see the problem with
Justin,
it,
get it!
yeah, it's not letting me
Please.
back in. I
Yes!
don't think I can
Come
get back
on!
in.
Go for it! I'm gonna go for the back-to-back cap.
Dude, you're like me. Like last night, I got 2 caps at Scout and it was awesome.
Oh my gosh,
Thank
it's
God I'm
so...
still fucking recording
Don't
this game.
3 of them.
Holy shit, this is so good.
Come on.
Yes!
Okay, I'm on that shit. I'm fucking on that shit!
Yeah, I
I'm
can't
coming
jump
long
in this match.
stairs.
Oh my god, oh my god. Go, 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 go. I will back you up. Run, run,
Kyle, add me
run,
on
run.
Steam.
I'm dropping down. Ooh,
Run.
baby! Ooh,
Run.
baby!
Okay.
Mark
let's
is a
see.
beast.
Dude! Yo! Back
Join the
to
server that
back
I'm
to
on.
back caps.
Let's
Did you
go.
get all
Wow,
three?
would have been
Is
like
it-
pushing.
Okay. Question mark. There's
Back to back caps.
It was impressive.
Wait, now I know you're fucking with me because I was gone
No,
for
no,
like
I'm.
3
no,
minutes.
I am
No.
dead ass. I am completely
No
dead
cap.
ass.
It took like 2 minutes for
Yeah.
us to get 3 points.
I came back and then Zach was in the process of getting the last cap. He's like, "Are we gonna go back to back caps?"
Yeah,
And
I got the
everyone's
first
going,
my
one, then
God.
Muffin got the second, and Zach got the third.
All right, let's get Mark in here
Viewing, I'm gonna get some water, so I'll be right
We're
back.
not queuing. What do you mean?
while we're queuing. Isn't.
Oh, wait.
While we're doing nothing, I'll be right back.
TF2 is a lovely game, but it's held together with duct tape and spit.
I mean, to be honest, it's a miracle it still works as well as it does today. 'Cause
Yeah,
it's been released in
honestly.
fucking 2007.
I know of games that have released since this game come out that like don't work right now, so it's a marvel.
Yeah.
Go in there and bonk them.
Bonk 'em
Justin.
real good.
Never mind. Just die
Fuck it
instantly.
real good.
Right.
There's a spy. Just wait. What is that scout? That scout is just moving. I don't see his
No,
running
the-
animation. He's just.
Yeah,
You win Sentry, no!
I
Just
can't.
run forward and hold left click as pyro. That's all you need to do.
I'm not a pyro. I'm an engineer.
Look at my sombrero. It's glitching in everywhere.
All of my mutton chops. Oh my
The
god.
flood.
We're just one mass now.